Hey, so today's Tuesday tip. I want to talk about some things going into the fall. Yes, I do understand it's still 100 degrees today and it's still 100 degrees out, but fall's right around the corner. Just go by Lowe's, check it out. Lowe's has already got their fall flowers out there. So number one tip of the day, make sure that you use your fall flowers selectively. We want to plant some pansies, some cabbage, some kale, some of those things that you can get some color. Also remember, this time of the year is a great time of the year to get those mulms. For those of you who garden, now is the time to get ready to plant those winter garden plants. Your cabbage, your kales, your different things that are your greeneries, your broccolis, those kind of things. Get those in the ground this time of the year. Number two, one other thing about that is it's time for pre-emergence and post-emergence for your weeds and your turf and your grass. I know that the summer is coming to an end and you say, hey, it's summer, it's over with, it's almost done, but we have those pesky winter weeds like Poa annua that are coming around the corner. So they'll be here before you know it. So we want to make sure we get some of that pre-emergent herbicide down so we don't have those pesky weeds. Number three, as it cools off and as we go into the cooler part of the year, let's make sure we turn that irrigation system down. I understand, as I said a minute ago, it's 100 degrees today, but in a few weeks it'll start cooling off. And when it starts to cool off, we need to cut that irrigation down so we're not overwatering our plants, our grass, our shrubbery, which will cause fungus and disease going into the winter season. So, hey, I hope those couple of easy, simple tips will help you prepare your property for the fall season.